Is this the way to speak? How could you use that tone? Didn't you see Grandma standing there?
Deepika, I'm sorry. Grandma, I'm sorry. You know, I didn't get to sleep for 7 days at the camp. Deepika, you know, my roommates used to trouble me a lot. I had to fight with them and speak to them like this. I got used to it. That's why I said those things in my sleep. Deepika, you know whatever happened today, because of that, my head is aching and I couldn't stop crying and I fell asleep. Grandma, please forgive me.
What you have done? After that, nobody can forgive you.
Grandma! Deepika, everyone is misunderstanding me. Deepika, you know, whatever I did for Arjun's sake.
In that case, everything should have worked out, Diya. What happened? The complete opposite. Today, because of you, Arjun is devastated. Diya, if you wanted to do this, why did you give him false hopes? You used to say that badminton was Arjun's life. Then, why did you snatch his life from him? Answer me. Answer me. No, Diya. No. Diya, I always stood by you. But not today. I won't stand by you today.
Come in, sir. Come in.
Priest?
Deepika! Oh my goodness, what new drama is this?
Where is everyone? Come here. Deepika? Where's the daughter-in-law?
What happened? What did he call the priest?
I'll explain everything. But first tell me something. Did you give your daughter-in-law a gift for losing the match or not? You still haven't given her anything? Oh my. How could you do that? Fine, let's do this. Tell your daughter-in-law to wear an expensive dress and jewelry and tell her to get ready and come downstairs. Because today I have planned something for us. But don't worry about it. I just wanted to complete a task that was left incomplete.
What do you mean? What happened, sir? Please tell me. What is Arjun talking about?
Let me explain. But before I do that, please call your daughter-in-law downstairs. Where is she? Oh my. The youngest daughter-in-law. The favorite daughter-in-law. She's loved by everyone. Come on. Amazing. Let me take a look. Yes. All of you look so good together. At one place. Happy family. Perfect family. Look. Someone is happy with his business. Someone is happy because she got what she wanted. So someone's happy being a good daughter-in-law. But do you know what I think? I'm a misfit because I'm not happy. At all. I don't have a reason to be happy. In fact, I think that I'm a big stain on this family. Am I right, Mr. Agarwal? Don't even ask about me. Don't ask. I've lost faith in each and every relationship. So I have an idea. Let's put an end to this complicated relationship. That's why today, I will break all ties with you. I will not trust in any relationship now. Every relationship, every tie. Then that's why I am going to perform my last rites today.
Is there anyone? Open the door!
Where are you? Come soon. I have to leave in an hour. How can I leave? Who will take care of her? You just come soon.
Open the door!
Have you lost your mind?
Look, let me go. If you don't let me go, then I will break my head and I will take my life. You will go to prison for my murder. All your life in jail.
What are you doing? Do you want to die?
Yes, I will die. I would rather die than stay here. So that you people rot in prison for the rest of your lives. Look, I'm warning you for the last time. Let me go. Open the door. Or I will bang my head and kill myself.
What happened?
Hello, ma'am. Dia has wreaked havoc over here.
What do you mean?
She said that if we didn't open the door, she would kill herself. Ma'am, should I go inside and take a look?
You don't believe me, right? Look, you better open the door or I will bang my head and kill myself!
She's banging her head against the wall. Ma'am, if anything happens to her, we will land in a lot of trouble. I don't want any trouble, madam.
Listen to me. Don't pay attention to her. She's trying to fool you.
No, madam. She's really banging her head.
Fine, listen to me. Ask someone to stand guard outside and check on her.
No, madam. There is no one here except me.
Listen to me. Don't open the door, understand? I'll be there.
Okay, madam. Please come here soon.
Yeah, you should place it on the floor.
Arjun, what are you doing? Leave it, sir. Leave it. We won't perform any puja here. Have you lost your mind?
Do you want your old grandma to see all this now?
Arjun, what are you doing? Please stop it.
Wait a minute! Sir, don't listen to anyone. Start the prayers.
Arjun, come to your senses. What are you doing?
Get up, sir. Get up, please. What is he saying and why are you listening to him? I told you to leave. Leave now. He's lost his mind. He's not in his senses. I know what I'm doing. And I'm in the right frame of mind. Sir, you will not go anywhere. Make the preparations of my last rites.
Look, for the sake of my relationship with Arjun, I can go to any extent. You are unbelievable, Lord. How could you create such a person? He wants to perform his last rites. Since the time I've come here, I have been apologizing to him. What should I do? I have to do all this for money. Arjun, Arjun, please don't do this. I admit that I made a mistake. I did it for your good. Arjun, please forgive me. Arjun, for the sake of our relationship. Arjun, please give me a chance. Arjun, please. Arjun, please.
Stay away from me! Stop this drama! I know the truth. Anyway, so are you ready?
Arjun,
please.
please don't do this.
Arjun, please
stop
don't
it,
do
Arjun.
this. Arjun, don't.
Arjun, no.
Arjun, don't.
Arjun,
Please
no,
don't
please.
do this. Stop it.
You won't listen to us, right? Fine. If you perform your last rites, then I will kill myself.
You're being ridiculous. He's being silly and you... Madhuri! Madhuri! Deepika, go and check on your mother. Go. So you've been paid, right?
Yes.
Then start the ritual.
Arjun, please listen to me. What are you
What
doing?
are you doing, son? Get up.
Grandma!
This is inauspicious.
Grandma, come here. Don't stop me. Let me do what I have to
No.
do, please.
No.
Grandma,
no,
please
son,
let me.
No, son.
Please don't stop me
No.
now. Grandma!
How can I not stop you? Tell me. You want me to see my grandson's Shraddh? Do you really want me to see this at my age? Tell me. Diya made a huge mistake and Madhuri made a worse mistake by helping her. But what you're doing isn't right either. Who performs a death ritual of themselves? Have you ever thought about what I go through when you do such things? What I feel like? But if you want to be unreasonable, come on, you and I will perform our Shraddh together.
Grandma!
Grandma, what are
Grandma,
you doing?
please get up.
Grandma,
please.
get up.
Get up.
Grandma, get up.
Nivadya! Get up. Grandma, please get up. Get up. Sit here. Do you see what you're doing? If you have any shame and pride left, any self-respect, leave this house. I don't want to see your face. If this girl stays in this house, I will not live here. So now you people can decide. What do you want?
Arjun, wait! Son, Arjun!
Diya, I'll be honest. I never thought I would come to care about you or even accept you as my daughter-in-law. But after you willfully lost the match for Arjun's sake, after you listened to Madhuri and lost the match, for the sake of Arjun's future, for that, I am eternally grateful to you. Dear, you're like a daughter to me. Arjun may be upset now, but he will be fine after a little while. What I'm saying is, you should live with your parents for a few days. Stay there and then come back. It'll give Arjun some time. His anger and disappointment will subside. It will cool down then.
Sure, Dad. What is this now? The geezer is asking me to go? How can I just leave? I just got here. I want to enjoy myself in this palace before I leave. Everyone here is crazy. I have just had it with this circus. I will require a stiff drink today. Ever since I got here, I've been crying and apologizing to that hero. My head is splitting.
Diya?
Who are these people? Why are you looking at us? As if you're seeing us for the first time? Have you forgotten your parents?
Oh yes, they are the lizard's parents. Tina had showed me their picture. Oof, this woman has a battalion for family. I can't remember so many people's faces. Mom, Dad, I'm glad you're here.
Arjun told us everything. The truth about how you betrayed him, as well as yourself. Did you forget? When you were fighting me, your circumstances, and the whole world for your dreams. No one supported you. Even I didn't support you. It was Arjun who held your hand then. He even married you to make your dreams come true. And you betrayed Arjun? It was your dream to secure a job with badminton. And it was Arjun who supported your dream. And what did you give him in return? Diya, a dream is exactly like a child. You have to nurture and care for it. It was Arjun who nurtured your dreams. He went as far as fighting with his own family. In return, you just betrayed Arjun?
What did you tell us? You would play not for yourself but for Arjun? To make him proud? Diya, it was you. Who said that you wouldn't quit badminton or this family? Then why did you do this? Today you neither have your family nor badminton with you. My daughter was never like this. What happened?
Ma'am, I heard no sound coming from inside. I heard something fall a while ago, and it's been quiet ever since. Ma'am, do you think she's dead?
Shut up. If it's quiet in there, why didn't you go and check?
Ma'am, you only asked me not to open the gate.
Give me the keys.
Yes.
Diya?
She has hurt her head.
We are completely mortified. I am glad there's no one else around. How would I have faced them? I can't even look them in the eye. Look, Diya, you need to understand something. Your marriage is made by your relationship with your husband. You didn't lose just the match. You lost Arjun too. There is still time, Diya. You made a mistake. Go and apologize for that. Make amends. Save this marriage, dear. Being together and being there for each other are two different things. Diya, you are lucky. You have Arjun as your husband. He has always supported you. People like him are one in a million. If you really want to save this marriage, then you must decide.
Dad, Mom, please listen to me. Mom, Dad, you are leaving too, please. They also left. Let them go. I don't care. Let everybody go. Leave. Everyone leave. Good riddance. Things are going as per the plan. Just the way Tina ma'am wanted. It's going accordingly. Good. I want to enjoy this palace as long as I live here.
Diya, get up. Diya. Thank God she's alive. Diya, please wake up. Diya, wake up. Quickly, get some water.
Yes, ma'am.
Diya, can you hear me, Diya? Diya, wake up. We need to take her to the hospital. If something happens to her, things will get worse. Have the car brought around and carry her to it. Hello? Hello, doctor? This is Tina Singhal. Doctor, I need your help. It's an emergency case. There's a patient who needs attention. Actually, doctor, the matter is a bit controversial. We'll come in through the back gate so that no one can see us. Thank you. Thank you so much, doctor. I'll be there in 30 minutes. Yeah.
Mom! Mom, open the door! Please! Mom! Mom, please open the door!
Niharika, mom isn't saying anything.
Oh Lord!
What?
Do you think she's committed suicide?
Niharika! You're so careless, Niharika. At least think before what you're speaking. Mom, please open the door, Mom.
Mom!
Thank
Mom!
God, Arjun, you're here. She's not opening the door, Arjun. Mom!
Mom! Mom, open the door, please! Mom!
Mom, please open the door, Mom, please.
Mom!
Deepika, tell him! He can do as he wants! If he is going to do what he wants, he has no right to stop me! He can't have his way every time! He thinks we have no right in his life. Alright, if that's how it is, then he also has no right in my life. I won't listen to anyone. Tell him. I won't listen to anyone.
Mom, fine, I won't do the Shraddh. I won't do anything. It's not like I can do anything I want in this house. I'm just a plaything you control with a remote. That's all.
Arjun, please.
Leave me.
No.
I have to do everything you say.
Arjun,
Press
please.
a button to get me married. To make me quit badminton and make me sit at home. Press another button.
Arjun, please.
Leave me. Mom, how long will you keep doing this? Do you think I can ever be happy like this? Ever? Now please stop all this, Mom. Stop emotionally manipulating me. Please stop it, Mom. Stop it.
Please calm down, Arjun. Why? You need to calm
Just
down.
leave me alone.
Arjun? Arjun, I never... Arjun,
Mom, Mom,
listen
wait.
to me,
Mom,
Arjun!
stop.
Where
Mom,
are you
please
going,
wait.
Arjun?
Mom, please stop.
Arjun,
Mom,
listen
please calm
to
down.
me.
Please don't stop him.
Stop him!
Mom, no one can stop him today.
Stop
You need to
him!
listen to me.
Stop
You need to
him.
listen to
He's
me.
leaving. Stop
Mom,
him.
please listen, Mom. Mom, he's hurt. Give him some time. He will be fine. Please, Mom. Please pull yourself together.
Mom, please calm down.